Scene opens with a wide shot of a sleek, modern bank building, its glass and steel reflecting a bright, sunny day. The image shimmers, glitches, and then morphs. The same building now stands dark and foreboding under a roiling, stormy sky, lightning flashing in the distance. There's a fine line between ambition and avarice, a boundary often crossed in the silent hum of server rooms and the frantic shouts of the trading floor. We build our temples of finance to touch the sky, monuments of glass and steel that promise prosperity and a secure future. But within these gleaming towers, decisions are made in heartbeats, fortunes wagered on the whisper of a rumor or the flicker of a graph. The architecture of our economy is designed for growth, but its foundations rest on something far more fragile: trust. And when that trust is gambled away, the storm that follows respects no walls, washing over the lives of those who never even placed a bet. The gleaming facade of progress can quickly become a tombstone for forgotten dreams. Fast-paced, jarring cuts, stock market tickers flash red across multiple screens. Aggressive traders in sharp suits shout into phones, gesticulating wildly. The scene then cuts sharply to a quiet, dimly lit living room. A middle-aged man sits at his kitchen table, head in his hands, staring at a stack of envelopes marked "Past Due" and a foreclosure notice. His shoulders are slumped in defeat. The roar of the market is a symphony of risk, a high-stakes game played with numbers that represent futures, homes, and livelihoods. For every winner celebrating a bold move, there is an unseen counterparty, a silent loser whose world is about to unravel. This is the calculated gamble, where the thrill of the win eclipses the potential for devastation. The players, insulated by wealth and distance, see only data points and percentage gains. They don't see the man who worked the same factory line for 30 years, now staring at an eviction notice because his pension fund was leveraged on a volatile derivative. They don't hear the strained conversations or feel the cold dread that seeps into a home when its financial bedrock is shattered by a tremor on a distant trading floor. A slow, deliberate zoom-out begins. An elderly couple stands on their perfectly manicured lawn, their backs to the camera. They look up at a stark red "For Sale" sign hammered into the grass. The camera pulls back further, revealing a quiet suburban street. The house just one of many, each holding its own silent story of loss. The consequences ripple outward, far from the epicenter of the financial quake. They arrive not as a sudden crash, but as a slow, creeping tide of foreclosures and broken promises. This is where the abstract numbers on a screen become painfully real. It's the elderly couple forced to sell the home where they raised their children. Their life savings evaporated in a market collapse they didn't understand. It's the quiet dignity of packing away a lifetime of memories, the weight of each box, a testament to a future that was stolen. The human cost is not measured in market points, but in uprooted lives and the profound, quiet heartbreak of starting over when you thought you had already finished the race. The final shot is a close-up on a child's ceramic piggy bank, now cracked down the middle. It sits on a dusty wooden shelf. A single, solitary coin slowly rolls out from the crack, wobbles for a moment, and then falls out of frame, the clinking sound echoing in the silence.